Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on Twitter, GoPro, X, and CHK. So Twitter finally consolidating after a huge 2-day move. Healthy consolidation at this point. It's an inside bar. If we see a break of 21.06 tomorrow, we know further consolidation is coming. If we see a bull break of 21.77, we look to the recent high of 21.96. While this is going on, the upper Bollinger Band is going to continue to catch up. That will be a key support level to be watching as well, because if we close below that, that's going to tell us more consolidation is coming. We should be looking for a bullish entry on this consolidation, depending on how we break from this inside bar, because this weekly time frame has made significant moves in terms of shifting the trend overall. That being said, the daily RSI is the highest it's been in a long time, so seeing this cool off and a pullback into the low $20 range would really be ideal for looking for an entry opportunity. When we see a spike in volatility, we usually look for an equilibrium pattern to form, which means a higher low and then lower high and tightening range. So we'll see if we pull back and form a higher low somewhere in this low $20 range, but how we break from this daily inside bar tomorrow is going to give us a lot of short-term information. Upper Bollinger Band on the weekly is also support, 21.14. So same story, if we close the end of this week above that level, we know we're still very strong. And if we close below it, we'll then be looking for consolidation. GoPro on the daily time frame, nice follow through for the bulls. A little bit of momentum as we head into earnings on Wednesday. And we are looking at resistance right now, 1050, followed by 1064. Support, you could look to the hourly time frame to see the higher low pattern where we're stair-stepping higher the last 4 days. And the upper Bollinger Band is going to be dropping down. That's a resistance level to watch as well. Weekly time frame, nice follow through. We had a bullish reversal candlestick maintaining a higher low. We confirmed it last week, keeping that middle Bollinger Band, and now we have follow through to start this week. So a clear pattern where with the earnings reaction, it's either going to propel us to higher highs or it's going to break down this higher low pattern, and it's going to end up being a bearish reversal head and shoulders pattern if we see a left shoulder, head, and then a right shoulder. If it's a bear reaction to earnings and we break 903, that is something to keep an eye out for. X on the daily time frame, no confirmation of the bullish reversal hammer. The bears are still in control, dropping down to lower lows and filling the gap now. There's a gap to fill to 25.95, and we're watching to see if that gap fills. They must hold support 24.45 to keep a higher low pattern, and the weekly time frame, healthy consolidation. We can be scouting a bullish entry, but we don't want to get in too early here. We have to see signs that the bulls are turning things around. And with 4 red days in a row and closes near the low, definitely not ready for an entry just yet. Filling that gap will add a bit more confidence, 25.95 on watch. CHK on the daily, big time follow through for these bulls, but also a lot of profit taking. If you see an overall downtrend and you give the bulls an opportunity to see kinds of gains where we're looking at 347 up to 399, essentially a 6% gain in 2 days, bulls are going to lock that in. So we rejected from the daily middle Bollinger Band and the 50-day moving average resistances. Our new resistance is 399, the high of today. Bulls are definitely showing up to a degree, but look at this weekly time frame. Anything under the middle Bollinger Band, anything under 449 is just another lower high. So we have to be skeptical of these bulls. We have to make them prove to us they're showing up, and they've done a good job the past 2 days. But other than that, we have to see a higher low and a higher high on this daily time frame to see the trend change, because we did hit lower lows by breaking 355. So that's what we've got as we head into tomorrow. Keeping an eye on GoPro as we head into earnings. Looking for Twitter and X healthy consolidation for a bullish entry. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.